Hey Ricoh team, this is Vince Mendoza. Just want to give you a high-level overview of our new agentic virtual agents. These agentic virtual agents uses a large action model to reason, plan, execute multi-step actions end-to-end, not just answering easy basic questions. They act autonomously for customers using contextual memory, and also uses a large action model capable of navigating any of its resources and chaining them together to complete a complex task as a single step. So you'll notice when you go through this, it handles the multiple intents and intent switching all within one single conversation. So let's dig a little deeper as to these individual agents. So I'm going to log into or click onto this Ricoh agent that I just put together. Some of the components that you are going to have to configure and build out, you're going to start off with a role. And a role essentially is telling the agent things that you want it to do, right? What it can support, what it can help with. And then you may want to enter in some guidelines. These provide instructions of how we want this agent to perform their job. The next tab would be the tools. Tools essentially is used to process information on behalf of your customers. This is what's going to integrate with your backend system of record to either create a new ticket, to pull information based off of an ANI or in this example, the EID number that you are collecting. We also have the ability to integrate with a rich set of knowledge articles. In this example here, I've loaded up documents, PDFs, Excel files into a SharePoint repository, and I'm using that, or I can use that to surface information when a customer is interacting with this specific agent. And configuration could be data elements that you're passing to the bot before you call it within an IVR flow. And then guardrails, things that you want to limit or prevent this agent from doing. Very simple tasks like do not talk like a pirate or do not offer discounts if that is something that is requested by the customer. Within our agentic virtual agents, we already do have a preset number of guardrails, but these are additional guardrails or rules that you can implement into the bots that you build out. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick little demo. This demo, again, is based off of a request from you. I'm going to select a voice here. All right, so the use case I'm going to go with is someone calling in. They're having issues with a specific item. They are unable to scan. Once that's complete, we can service it, create a new incident or ticket. I'm even going to SMS that incident number to the caller. So let us get started.
Hi, this is Gina with Ricoh. How can I help you today?
Hey Gina, I'm wondering if you could help me with my printer issues.
I'd be happy to help you with your printer issues. Is this a new issue or an existing one that you've been experiencing?
It's a new issue.
Can you please provide me with the equipment ID of the printer you're having trouble with?
Yeah, it's C144056748.
One moment, please. I've located the equipment with ID C144056748, which is registered to Ricoh and located at 2499 New Point Parkway, Lawrenceville, Georgia, 30043. Is this the correct address?
Actually, no, that's the wrong address. Can I update that?
I'd be happy to help you update the address. Can you please provide me with the new address?
Sure, it's 1515 Falcon Way, Atlanta, Georgia, 30043.
Got it? You'd like to update the address for equipment ID C14405-674, 8 to 1515 Falcon Way, Atlanta, Georgia, 30043. Is that correct?
Yep, that's right.
Before I proceed with updating the address, I just want to confirm, is the phone number associated with this equipment 650-218-0036 still correct?
Yep.
Or would you like to update that? I've updated the address for equipment ID C144056748 to 1515 Falcon Way, Atlanta, Georgia, 30043. Now, can you please tell me more about the issue you're experiencing with your printer?
Yeah, so just recently, I'm unable to scan to email.
Just one moment. I've created a ticket for the issue you're experiencing with your printer. ID C144056748. The ticket number is 500HO000001JNTULIAQ. Would you like me to send this ticket number to you via SMS for your reference?
Sure, that'd be great.
Before I send the ticket number to you via SMS, can you please confirm your phone number? Is it still 650-218-0036?
Yep, you can send it to that phone number.
Give me a moment. I've sent the ticket number 500H0000001JNTULIAQ to your phone number 650-218-0036 via SMS. An engineer will reach out to you to schedule an on-site visit to resolve the issue with your printer. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, another thing, is there any way you can help me with installing my toner?
I'd be happy to help you with installing your toner. Before I provide the steps, would you like me to walk you through the process step by step? Or would you prefer me to send you an SMS with the instructions?
Let's do it step by step if that's possible.
To replace the toner cartridge, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Here's the first step. 1. Open the front cover and lift the green handle. Would you like me to proceed with the next step, or do you have any questions about this one?
No, I'm all good. What's the next step?
Here's the next step. 2. Push the green lever and then gently pull out the holder. Would you like me to proceed with the next step, or do you have any questions about this one?
All right, I got that completed.
Here's the next step. 3. Press the toner bottle back to raise its top and then gently pull it out. Would you like me to proceed with the next step, or do you have any questions about this one?
I'm ready for the next step.
Here's the next step. 4. Take the new bottle out of the box and shake it for 5 or 6 times. Would you like me to proceed with the next step, or do you have any questions about this one?
Let's go to the next step, please.
Here's the next step. 5. Remove the toner bottle cap and put the toner bottle on the holder and then pull its top forward. Would you like me to proceed with the next step, or do you have any questions about this one?
Okay, I've done that.
Here's the next step. 6. Push the green handle until the unit clicks and press down the green handle to the original position. Would you like me to proceed with the next step, or do you have any questions about this one?
Okay, I'm ready.
Here's the final step. 7. Push up the front cover until it closes. You've successfully replaced the toner cartridge. If you have any further questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask.
Thank you so much. But can you also send me an SMS of those steps for future reference?
Just a moment. I've sent the steps to replace the toner cartridge to your phone number 650-218-0036 via SMS for future reference. If you have any further questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask.
I'm all good. Thank you so much for your help.
Thanks for contacting us. Have us a great day.